Hello and welcome back to my channel Dine and Shine. This is Vinay by profession. I'm an entrepreneur by passion. I am an artistic mom, but by birth I am a true explorer. So how are you guys? How is this lockdown treating you? Are you enjoying your parenthood or are you enjoying your business? So this is the video which I always wanted to do because I've learned in this lockdown that how you should be very much patient, in raising your child, because raising a child is is actually a tough job to do, because parents who actually go out for work, पहले का initial time में बोल रही हूँ जब तो lockdown नहीं था, so when we used to go out we used to come back and then our brain थोड़ा सा अलग 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 लेवल पे they used to work, our brain used to work, घर जाना आना बाहर लोगों से मिलना everything was just smoothly. But अभी क्या होना, अभी we are all inside the house, always locked with same type of people we are seeing every day and night. So in this scenario, in this situation, raising a child is a little difficult one, but do not lose hope, because अपना ही बच्चा है, हम उसको कैसे भी संभाल ही लेंगे. But the most important fact to raise a child is how to inculcate, how to develop good behavior, good manners into them. So touch wood, I tried my level best to put all sort of good and kind things into his brain since he was small. तभी से मतलब a small example I would share, that whenever he was a small, still now he does the same. So whenever someone comes and gives him something, how maybe the small thing it is, he says thank you. Always I ask him to say thank you. So there are people who say, "Arey, it's okay, don't say thank you to me. मैं ये हूँ, मैं मामा हूँ, मैं चाचा हूँ, मैं चाची हूँ, मुझे thank you मत बोलो." But I say no. Mama, mommy, chacha, chachi, uncle, auntie, they all are your loved ones. So they will understand that why I am doing this to my little one, because this will actually give him that habit to say thank you, sorry to everybody, the other person also who is not your relative but is some other person, to say thank you to them, because saying thank you is a very kind word, and you should learn since you're a kid, that saying thank you to every people who comes around you, comes on your way. If they are giving you something, if you are doing something good to you, you always need to say thank you. So that habit should be there in your kid since the बचपन से ही होना चाहिए. So कोई भी कुछ भी बोले कि ऐसे मुझे थैंक यू मत बोलो, मैं तो तुम्हारा अपना हूँ, मुझे थैंक यू मत बोलो, no. Then you please cut that and say no, this is a good habit, let him do that. It shouldn't be that much botheration for the people, because anyways they all know that the kids need some good habits to learn. Saying thank you, saying sorry, these are very normal things and they should learn since they are a kid. So second thing, whatever we are doing in our life, whatever we are not like the adults, whatever we are talking, we should be very much careful about it whenever our kids are around us. So kids basically learn, the first thing they learn from their parents. So if you are doing something inappropriate, your kid will learn that same thing. For example, if you misbehave with the with other people, or a poor people, they will learn the same thing. So do not do that in front of your kid, and वैसे भी please do not do that. So just whenever they are around you, or try to put these things into their mind, that we need to put love, we need to show love to everybody who is around us. So excuse me. So that is the the basic fact, the basic funda of raising a child, that whatever you are doing, your child is learning that, seeing, watching and learning. So make sure you also behave nicely with others, so that your kids also learn the same thing. And third thing, most importantly, whenever your kid is asking, whenever your kid is asking for something, do not give them that thing without any clause. Yes, I know, clause and everything is not there, should not be their relationship, but yes, to raise a child properly, clauses should be there. Clauses, in the sense, I would tell you the example. So if he's asking for something, for some toy or for some stuff, do not give them those things ऐसे, मतलब चाहिए ठीक है चलो देता हूँ, नहीं. So just ask him one thing. What I do with my child. So ask them one thing. Why do you want this? Why do you need this? Have you done anything great that I would give to this? So then he may say no. Then you will say, then do something worthy or do something great so that I become happy and give you this. Because if your child doesn't understand the value of earning, he will never value that thing. So make him believe that if you do this, you will get this. Without doing hard work, you cannot get the result. You do it, get it. So these are the 3-4 things which definitely you should all show that, like, make your child believe those, which I do. And I have some other examples also, which I will definitely share with you. Please comment in the comment section. And till then, have a great day and do not forget to bell the ring icon. So bye. Thank you.